Hey guys, I got a warning light on my dash that one of my headlights is out. So, from my being smart enough, knowing from my previous headlight that the other side, that is not the headlights, probably the connector shorted out. So this is the side, the passenger front side. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it out and see if that's what happened. Basically, you get to the headlight, snap this back, take this cover off. Reach in here, you twist it out, and you'll be able to pull out the headlight assembly. Okay, here's the headlight assembly, and basically you want to unplug this from this portion, and for this you need to just press down on this and pull it out. So after I pulled out the bulb, there's the problem. It shorts out between the two contacts there. So that's what happened on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this one off and replace it with a generic one, another one that I bought. So here's the replacement I bought. You just get it at any of the auto parts store. It connection looks exactly the same. The way to unlock it is a little bit different. You have to pull this out before you can push down on the button. So has a little safety there so it doesn't come unplugged. So kind of like that. Probably most likely you'll notice the wires on this one is going to be a different color than the wires on the existing one. So before you cut it, make note of what color goes to which color and get all your things together. I got my shrink tubing, wire snips, and soldering iron, and a heat gun. Okay, it's good practice if you do one wire at a time. Basically, I snipped the wire on the right, and again the same orientation of this one. I snipped the one I connected to the wire on the right. There it is, soldered with shrink tubing over it. So I'll finish up the middle and the left one, and then should be almost done. Okay, here's my new connector, all soldered up with heat shrink tubing. So now I'm just going to use the heat gun and go ahead and shrink the tubing and finish it up. Okay, so heat shrunk, and obviously the easiest thing to do is go ahead and use some wire ties and tie it up. But since I never do anything the easy way, I had some of this tape, heat resistant tape that I had left over from when I was taping up some of the spark plug wires a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up and use the tie wraps to hold the ends, and then I'll be done. Okay, here it is all wrapped up, tie wrapped, and I'll install the bulb back in. There's probably nothing wrong with that, and see if it works. Okay, back in business. Headlight working, connector working, wrapped it up, job done. Both connectors on each headlight have been replaced, and then basically because they shorted out. So if you have a headlight out, just try checking the connector first before running out and buying a new bulb. If you like it, go ahead and subscribe and hit your like button. Thanks a lot.